Okay, we've got a probability question here, and you have to read these quite carefully. So we've got 7 pens of green, 10 pens of black, that's 17 pens, but there's 25 in a pack. So the 25 pens, take away the 17 that you know the colour of, leaves you with 8, doesn't it? So I'm just going to write that down. So I've got 7 greens and 10 blacks, and that means I must have 8 reds, I think, because there has to be 25 pens in the pack. I think that adds up, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, so now we can answer the question. So find the probability the pen is black. Well, there's 10 blacks out of 25 pens. So 10 out of 25 is the probability. Now, you could put that into your calculator and simplify that. It would go quite nicely. But I'm not in this case. I'm going to say that 8 out of 25, probability 10 out of 25. It doesn't say that I have to express it in the simplest form, so I'm happy with that. Right, now we've got this. Try and understand these tables. Frequency means the number of times, yeah? So if you read what Heidi's up to, she's selling these packets, and it says 14 times, 14 days, she's only sold one packet. And 17 times she sold 2, 15 times she sold 3, 12 times she sold 4, and 9 times she sold 5. So the most frequent, the most popular is the 17 one. That's going to be the mode value. That she sold 2 packets 17 times. Okay. So right on the mode value, well, the mode value is going to be the number of packets that she's sold, which is 2. Why? Because that's happened 17 times. Okay. So that's the mode value is 2. Alright, and the last part then, well, let's see what the question is. Work out the total number of packets of pens sold last Friday. That's quite a lot of work to do there. So on 14 times she sold 1. And I'm going to write down how many times. 17 times she sold 2. And we're going to have to do this a lot. So if she sold 1 14 times, that is 14. If she sold 2 17 times, that's going to be 34, isn't it? 15 times she sold 3, that's going to be 45. Yeah, don't make that mistake. 12 times she sold 4, which is 48. 9 times she sold 5, which is 45. And I need to add those up. Okay. And it looks to me like about 186, something like that, I think. Yes, 186. Very good. Okay. So that's my answer. 186. Alright. I suspect that last part will catch a lot of people out. You've got to think frequency means the number of times something's happened. Okay. Now if we look at the mark scheme, you'll see this is actually quite a valuable question. A stats question. 5 marks, nearly half a grade there. And I think quite doable.